Hello everyone. Today let's review this book of Vinod Publications. Its name is Understanding Language and Early Literacy. It's a DL at ETD first year book. It's a bestseller book, as per the new syllabus pattern, and it's a JK Bose book of the most trusted educational publishing firm, which is Vinod Publications. Look at the poster; is a very good poster. It resembles the book very well. Also, Understanding Language and Early Literacy. Uh, so let's check out this book. It's in Hindi medium. JK Bose Jammu and Kashmir book, Understanding Language and Early Literacy, ITT first year. So let's go to the syllabus first. Syllabus is mentioned. Unit 1, Nature of Language. Unit and the things are mentioned in both, mentioned in both English and Hindi language, so any kind of reader can understand it. If you want to understand in English or Hindi, you can understand it in both the languages. Then unit 2, language acquisition, syllabus is mentioned. Unit 3, language across the curriculum, syllabus is mentioned. Language 4, the classroom practices and possibilities, syllabus is mentioned. Unit 5, assessment, syllabus is mentioned. So all the 5 units are mentioned in syllabus. Now we have to check the contents now, and now then verify whether the contents match with the syllabus or not. Let's check. Unit 1, nature of language, rule governed system, relationship of language society, nature of multilingualism. So let's check whether it matches the syllabus or not. Nature of language, you can check nature of language, rule governed system, relationship of language, and then nature of multilingualism. It's completely there. So the unit 1 cover everything of this syllabus. Unit 2, language acquisition and language, you can check with syllabus. In syllabus, you can see language acquisition and language, it's there. Unit 3 of the contents, language across the curriculum, function of language in education, you can check function of language in education. Unit 3 of syllabus mention the contents, it's completely verified with the contents, it's completely there. Unit 4, classroom practices, perspectives on reading, prevalent language, connection between classroom instructions and theories, and so on. You can check with syllabus. See syllabus 4, classroom practices, perspectives, and then prevalent language, connection between theories, role of literature, and so on. It's completely there. Now check last unit. Unit 5, assessment as a continuous, use of multiple sources, ways of assessment, and so on. You can check, verify with the syllabus. You can check Unit 5, assessment and continuous, multiple sources, ways of assessment, so on. It's completely there. So it does verify that everything which was there in syllabus is completely there in contents also. And not only that, page numbers are also mentioned in front of content. So many pages are given to each particular topic, mentioned completely in detail till page number 255. And also, good thing about this book is that the contents and syllabus both, the things are mentioned in both, in contents in both English language and Hindi language, so that any kind of reader who wants to understand in English can also read it, and who want to understand in Hindi can also read it. Now we have to check. Another thing we have to check is whether the page numbers are accurate or not. For example, if I go to particular page 121, will I find prevalent language reading practices or not? Let me check. Page number 121. Let me check. Yes, page number 121, prevalent language reading practices and critique, and see the page number are accurate. And also the beauty of this book is the inside topics are also highlighted in both English and Hindi. So even if suppose somebody wants to, is a English medium student, wants to understand in English, there are enough references of this book in English also, and they can also understand it. So and let's check another page reference and verify it. Last page reference, and then we go on. Page number 12, nature of multilingualism. Let's check on page number 12. So page number 12, nature of multilingualism, is completely there. So this book is a very good book, covers all the topics very well. Syllabus contents cover everything of the syllabus, and the page numbers are very rightly mentioned. Topics are given in pages. Language is very easy. You can check the language, very easy language, easy to understand by every student, and it's till the last page. So I think it's a very good book. So the last page of book cover, has it mention all other books of Vinod publications. You can also check it. So the book is only for rupees 249.50 rupees only. It's available on Flipkart and Amazon also. You can buy it online, or you can also call them directly at 9218 and book will be delivered to your location within 3-4 days time only, within just rupees at price of rupees 249.50. Also you can buy this book offline also at any available bookstore nearby your location, which has B.Ed and ETT books. The book will be available to you of this ETT Vinod publications. You can email them at vinodpublicationsindia@gmail.com. Go to their website at www.vinodpublications.com, or you can visit their Facebook, Twitter and YouTube if you have any inquiry, anything you want to see regarding their publishing firm, or their books. Check out other books. You can, if you have any complaint regarding the books, you can go to the helpline number and write to help@vinodpublications.com, and they will definitely reply to you and see your, check and help you with the book. So 249.50 for this really amazing book of Vinod publications, which is understanding and language and literacy, is the very reasonable price. I think I highly recommend this book. You should definitely buy it. Thank you so much.